every morning before you read a single thing that actually matters. You're deleting the same store, the same newsletter, that same list you don't even remember joining. You have probably deleted that same sender a couple of hundred times already this year, by hand, one at a time. Let me tell you something today. Your Mac was always ready to handle that kind of task, but you never set it up. Mail is not only an inbox. There's a whole system sitting inside it that most people never switch on. Let me show you that in this video. Start with the one you delete the most. For me, it's this one. Every single morning, same sender, straight to the bin. So today, I'm going to tell my Mail app to do that for me. Click on Mail, left side top corner, Settings. This window, click Rules. Add rule, give it a name. For me, it's DMARC. For you, it can be newsletter or promotion. Leave everything the way it is. Here, just enter the keyword. Newsletter, promotion, sale, anything. Select the mailbox. Now here's something you need to decide. If you wish to send all these mails straight to the trash, select trash from the list. However, if you want to give them a second chance, then you can create a dedicated folder. To create a new folder, click on this folder symbol with a plus sign on it in the sidebar. Give it a name. Now get back to your previous window. Find the folder, select, and OK. You have successfully created your first email redirection rule. Follow the same steps and create more rules. It just takes barely 10 to 20 seconds. It is not really important that you will only create rules for the mails that bothers you every single day. You can create rules for those which are consistent in your inbox. For example, you buy from Amazon, you can create a dedicated Amazon rule here. The next time you're buying something, there is a shipment update that goes straight to the Amazon folder. Now watch what happens when the next one arrives. It never touches your inbox. It goes straight to its own directory. You didn't do anything manually, and it just happens. It's going to happen tomorrow, throughout the year, forever. You just wrote that rule once. Now right next to the rules, there is something else that looks like the same thing, but it is not. This is where almost everyone gets confused. Let's say you want emails about only one thing in one place. Here we make a Smart Mailbox. Now give it a name. For example, your work, your project, your trip, your family, your bank. Again, add your keyword. Include messages from trash. Include messages from sent. Click OK, done. Follow the same steps and create multiple smart mailboxes. For example, you can create one for your family. You can add multiple filters: mom, brother, sister. In the sidebar, if you notice now, there is a dedicated section for smart mailboxes. Initially, it looks same, like rules. However, let me tell you, rules change where the email goes. The smart mailboxes only give you the live view. Nothing is moved. The original email stays in its right folder, inbox, or something else. See, everything is still in your inbox. The smart mailbox is just a window looking at it. So create a rule for the mails you want handled. Create a smart mailbox for the mails you want to find. Now the other half of the problem. It is not just junk. It's that the message that actually matters is sitting under 9 that don't. Your doctor's reply, your mother, the bank. Mail treats all of them exactly the same way. It doesn't have to. So find the people who you wish to prioritize over everything, hover over their name, make a right click, add to VIPs. Now in sidebar, you're going to see VIPs. By any chance, if you can't find it, there's a folder symbol. Click on it and then find VIPs and click OK. Now, all these people are your mail VIPs. They have got their own mailbox. No matter how busy your inbox gets, all their emails are automatically under VIPs. Here's the part that makes it even more effective. You did that on your Mac, and it's already on your iPhone or iPad. Same Apple account, same VIPs. And for the ones you can deal with right now, the form you will fill on Saturday, flag it. From the right side top corner, you can also make a right click and flag it. And again, in the sidebar, it is in its own list. Next time you're checking your mail app, you know what's important for you. And one more, use the email chain where 16 people reply all and none of it concerns you. You don't have to leave it. Just make a right click and you can mute it. It's still there if you need it. It's just that it will not be any more the reason of interruption. Now let's talk about the mail leaving your Mac. You hit send and your stomach drops. Wrong person, or you forgot to attach. So take a look at the left side very bottom corner of your mail app. You get undo send button. Click it and the message reopens for editing. Now I want to be straight with you about what it is. It is really not unsending. Mail just waits a few seconds before it sends. That pause is the trick, and you can make it longer. Mail settings, composing, undo, send, delay. 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or completely turn it off, your call. It cost you nothing, but I can tell you it has saved me more than once. And now, the opposite problem. You write at 1 at night because that's when you had time, but you don't want it to land at 1 in somebody else's inbox. So you can just write it now, and up at the top where you see that send arrow in a circle, click and send later. Pick the right time from here. This last one, it's quiet, but it matters. That newsletter or promotion that you opened this morning, it actually knows you opened it. When, how many times, roughly where you were. Honestly, that's not some kind of conspiracy. It is a tiny image hidden inside that email, which is doing its job. So again, under mail settings, this time, very last, privacy, and ensure you enable protect mail activity. Now your Mac quietly loads that content in the background instead and hides your address, so senders get far less tracking information from you. If you're signing up for something, let's suppose a game or some random app that you don't fully trust, there is hide my email, a throwaway address that forwards to your real one. So those companies or advertiser don't have your actual email address, but that one needs iCloud Plus paid subscription plan. If you have it, it's right there in the from field. If you don't, skip it. Everything else today is free. And before closing the video, here's the bonus for you. If you're composing an email, you have a physical sheet, a form, you want to attach that in your email. Compose email, click on paperclip, and under iPhone, choose Scan Documents. This is effective when you have MacBook and iPhone. This allows you to scan document using your iPhone camera and directly insert that inside your mail without saving it on your phone or on your Mac. Now let me be honest with you. Don't set up all of it today. That's how all these things end up never happening. Create one rule. For the sender you delete the most. Mark 2 people as a VIP, the ones you'd hate to miss, and turn on Protect Mail activity right now. That's about 10 minutes today, and tomorrow morning your inbox will feel less like something you have to fight. None of this is new. It's been sitting inside your mail app the whole time. You just never turn it on. Anyways, this is pretty much it in this video. If you're ready to step up, here's the next one. But before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe Crazy Ears for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.